Hello, I'm Nancy Hornbill TV la Nagamis Express. Ajila Kubrenia Janadia se. Reach out mission la party Ringma Selozi aro Ringma Students Union bra goodwill visit kurishe. Togin ESC headquarter de jakale. Idu visit do ekta awareness utabule nimide ase jala ase. Dimapur du Kohima jalaga alternative rasta ge neglected kura opor. Kundubra Newland Togin aro 10 IR battalion zadimade pass kurina jai. Togin ESC headquarters kundu sobse burana administrative centers naglende thaga majude ekta ase idu establish kura time ra loina eta tak neglected thaga kushe tai laga historical significance thagi inabi idu area de government laga attention aro development like hwa kushe aro ekta concerning thaga do idu alternative rasta Dimapur aro state capital Kohima de connect kuria via Newland Togin 10 IR battalion zadimadu overlook aro State government bra neglect kura goshe. Idu recurring attention state government bra most important alternative route kundu bra state capital aro Nagaland commercial hub ke connect re idu bishi attention dibule laga janaise. Idu nimide RSZ aro RSU bra government ke idu rasta punai dibule goshe aro travelers aro citizens sob karne all weather moderable road develop kori dibule mangishe. Ringma Selobra Togin Range Youth Organization ge bi appreciate goshe. Taken laga proactive role aro humanitarian act initiate gura karne travelers laga well-being nimide.
ঠিক আছে এতিয়া কনসনা আমি কানে Ringma Youth Organization আছে আৰু Ringma Students Union আমি কানে এতিয়া আছে. This place is in between Newland district and then Kohima. In between that this is one Chogi ESC headquarters which is under Seminyu district. And then this road is one of the lifeline of both people from Kohima in Seminyu district. And in fact, like this road always become a road which is only remembered during summer, but it is always forgotten after this monsoon season. So what we wanted to appeal to the government of Nagaland is like this road should be taken on priority so that this road become a all-weather road. Eneka hobo lage kile bole itu rasta ami kan yate thaka khandu yate pra Newland ponchibole karne dole it does not take rasta to bal asule half an hour ponchibole laga ase holi bi kilometer wise to jase bole bi 10 to 12 kilometers ase 10 to 12 kilometers asile but it takes at least 1 hour to reach Newland. Otherwise itu rasta to banai disi bole it's very easy yate pra Kohima ponchibole bi in 1 hour day to ponchibole paru laga ase itu karne we appeal to the government that this road should be taken on priority so that it benefit the entire community, the entire people of not only the Naga people but the entire the traveler that can use this road. Thank you.
Kaziranga National Park aro Tiger Reserve to tourist nimide October 1, 2024 bra kulibo koina officials bra Sunday de gushe. Park to May muina bra October dak hotai sal bon thage Brahmaputra River flooding hua risk nimide. September 7 day letter ekta office of the divisional forest officer Eastern Assam Wildlife Division bra announced kurishigi Kaziranga National Park aro Tiger Reserve under jurisdiction of Eastern Assam Wildlife Division do tourist nimide kulibule goshe season 2024 to 25 nimide October 1 2024 bra doina weather conditions saigina letter day aro likhina thagishe park to currently khula ase jeep safari nimide dinda ranges te Kaziranga range Kohora Western Range, Pagori aro Pura Bahar Range, Kora Katide. Officials hisab Assam de flood swabra 215 Januar laga jan jaise 13 one-horned rhinos milaina Kaziranga National Park de jatak. Total 847 wild Januar kan Assam floods pra affect hoina ase Jaban salde kute 511 Januar do Murija report kurina ase. Lota Students Union bra inter-school cultural competition organized globally ase October 4 aro 5th day Government Higher Secondary School Woka bra host kurigina. Update ekta day schools or educational institutions Woka district de thaga khange LSU bra gushe event laga team do balancing cultural growth with modern civilization hobo. LSU gushe event to Taikan bra students community nimide kam gra laga effort de ase. Taikan vision do Lota community laga culture aro traditions preserve, showcase aro bujibo dibo karne ase gushe. Union to dedicated ase cultural heritage preserve aro celebrate korobole. Aro edu program do Taikan laga mission day essential part ase gushe. Edu cultural program bra cultural understanding aro exchange promote korobo. Local talent aro creativity showcase korobo. Aro cultural expression aro preservation dibo. LSU bra institutions kange invite kurna ase event te participate korobole Assam government bra Biplab Sharma committee laga recommendations state bureau te implement kurbo Perak Valley aro 6th schedule areas charina Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma bra Guwahati te press conference announce kora homai koshe Guidelines to April 15, 2025 bra ulawle bhavana ase 52 recommendations to next Bohag Bihu de target rakhina Government bra regular meetings AASU lobo next few months te guidelines for Assam Accord Clause 6 to finalize korobole Sharma note kurishe athar applicants Thubri aro Goalbara de thakado population exceed kore aro kun apply gora nai original NRC nimide taiken laga athar unlock taibo she notifications to next 10 days se issue korobole koise
অসম চুক্তি 6 নম্বৰ দফাৰ ওপৰত জাষ্টিস বিপ্লৱ শৰ্মা কমিটিয়ে দাখিল কৰা প্ৰতিবেদনখন আমি পুংখানুপুংখভাৱে বিশ্লেষণ কৰিছিলোঁ আৰু এই প্ৰতিবেদনখনৰ যিটো ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যন পাৰ্ট আছে এই ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যন পাৰ্টটো যেতিয়া আমি ভাল কৰি চাওঁ তেতিয়া তাত আমি দেখা পাওঁ যে তাত 67 সৰ্বমুঠ ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যন আছে 67 ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যনৰ কেইটামান ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যন প্ৰচিডিউৰেল টাইম টু টাইম ৰিভিউ হ'ব লাগে এখন উচ্চস্তৰীয় আয়োগ হ'ব লাগে অৰ্থাৎ কেইটামান ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যন ইজ মোষ্টলি অন প্ৰচিডিউৰেল ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যনখিনি যদি আমি বেলেগ কৰি থৈ দিওঁ তেতিয়ালে আমি দেখা পাওঁ যে 52টা ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যন ৰাজ্য চৰকাৰৰ অধিকাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰৰ ভিতৰত পৰে 5-6টা ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যন এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ যিকেইটা কেন্দ্ৰ আৰু ৰাজ্য চৰকাৰৰ যৌথ অধিকাৰৰ ভিতৰত পৰে আৰু কেইটামান ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যন সংবিধান সংশোধন অবিহনে যিকেইটা ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যন ৰূপায়ণ কৰাটো সম্ভৱ নহয় সেয়েহে আমি ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যনবিলাকক 3টা ভাগত আমি বিভক্ত কৰিলোঁ বিভক্ত কৰাৰ পিছত আমি যেতিয়া কেবিনেটত এটা এটাকৈ পৰ্যালোচনা কৰিলোঁ তেতিয়া আমি দেখা পালোঁ যে তাত 52টা ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যন মই 5টা প্ৰচিডিউৰেল ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যনৰ কথা বাদ দিছোঁ 52টা ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যন ৰাজ্য চৰকাৰৰ অধিকাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰৰ ভিতৰত আৰু ৰাজ্য চৰকাৰে তাক আমি ৰূপায়ণ কৰিব পাৰোঁ এই ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যনখিনি মূলতঃ ভাষা আৰু ভূমিৰ ওপৰত আৰু কেইটামান ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যন সাংস্কৃতিক ৰক্ষণাবেক্ষণৰ ওপৰত আপোনালোকক আমি 52টা ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যনৰ এখন লিষ্ট দিব খুজিছোঁ যিখিনি ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যন ৰাজ্য চৰকাৰে ৰূপায়ণ কৰিব পাৰিব আৰু ইয়াত কেন্দ্ৰীয় চৰকাৰৰ বিশেষ কৰিবলগীয়া নাথাকে অৱশ্যে এই ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যনখিনি ইমপ্লিমেণ্ট কৰাৰ আগতে কিছু ক্ষেত্ৰত সদৌ অসম ছাত্ৰ সন্থা আৰু বিটিআৰ কাৰ্বি আলং ডিমা হাছাও কাউন্সিল আৰু বৰাক উপত্যকা ৰাইজৰ লগত আমি কথা বতৰা পতাৰ প্ৰয়োজন হ'ব কিন্তু যদি আমি ভাবোঁ যে বৰ্তমান ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যনখিনি আমি 6 শিডিউল এৰিয়াত ইমপ্লিমেণ্ট নকৰোঁ বা আমি বৰাক উপত্যকাত ইমপ্লিমেণ্ট নকৰোঁ তেতিয়ালে ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ উপত্যকাত ইমপ্লিমেণ্ট কৰিবৰ বাবে আমি কাৰো লগত কথা পতাৰ প্ৰয়োজন নাই তেনেকুৱা ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যন 5-6টা আছে যিকেইটা ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যন আমি কথা পাতিব লাগিব আৰু বাকি আমি কথা পতাৰ প্ৰয়োজন নাথাকে কিন্তু কেইটামান ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যন আমি তেখেতসকলৰ লগত কথা পাতিব লাগিব আৰু ইয়াত থকা ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যনখিনিও তাৰ ফাইনাল যিটো ৰূপ এতিয়াতো তেওঁলোকে ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যন হিচাপত দিছে কিন্তু তাৰটো ডিটেইল গাইডলাইন নটিফিকেশ্যন এক্ট আইন বনাব লাগিব গতিকে আমি এটা সিদ্ধান্ত লৈছোঁ যে ৰাজ্য চৰকাৰে অহা ৩-৪ মাহ আমি প্ৰতি মাহ প্ৰতি সপ্তাহত ছাত্ৰ সন্থাৰ লগত বহি বহাগ বিহুৰ আগতে এই 52টা ৰিকমেণ্ডেশ্যন আমি ইমপ্লিমেণ্টেশ্যন পৰ্যায়লৈকে আমি লৈ যাব খুজিছোঁ যে অসমৰ বহুকেইখন জিলাত ধুবুৰী গোৱালপাৰা আদি জনসংখ্যাতকৈ বেছি আধাৰ কাৰ্ড ইছ্যু হৈছে
44th Olympic Council of Asia Day address kura homoy General Assembly Union Minister JB Nadda bra Sunday de goshe PM Modi bra sports te bishi advocate korina ja goshe taila first term bra loina idea tak aro government bra various steps uthai ase do opode Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports laga budgetary allocations bi uthai dishe threefold bra target Olympic podium scheme bra foreign training equipment aro coaching die idade 5,000 mota aro 3,000 maigi kan 34 sports disciplines te train kura chanaishe.
Prime Minister Modi ji has been advocating for betterment of sports from his very first term, and the government has taken various steps to ensure this. If I talk about the budgetary allocations for the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, we can say that it has been increased to threefold. The target of Olympic Podium Scheme, TOPS, provides a foreign training, equipment and coaching, monthly stipend of 50,000 rupees per athlete, and at present, 8,000 talented sports persons, 5,000 boys and 3,000 girls are being trained in 34 sports disciplines. Khelo India is another forum where budget has been allocated for 4,200 crores for this scheme. Over 2,500 athletes are selected under Khelo India every year, and 1,000 Khelo India centers across the country, where 8,020 have been made operational. The National Sports University at Manipur, enough budgetary allocation to the tune of 634.34 crores have been given. Prime Minister Modi ji believes that the sports are not just a competition. Rather, they play an important role in the society. Through sports, we not only promote physical health, but also encourage mental health and social harmony. Prime Minister has shown the willingness and given a vision where he wants to see that India hosts the Olympics of 2036, and I believe the OCA will also do its best to turn this vision into a reality. Under Prime Minister Modi ji's tenure, India has already demonstrated its capabilities to host big international sporting events. In the past 10 years, our government in India has successfully hosted the FIFA Under-17 World Cup in 2017, the Chess Olympiad in 2022, the FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup in 2022, F1 Powerboat World Competition in 2022, Field Hockey World Cup in 2023, and ODI Cricket World Cup in 2023. Organizing sports is not only a platform for competition, but it is also a means of communication between cultures and countries. Here I would like to acknowledge the efforts made by OCA to promote and make sports infrastructure better for the athletes. OCA has played a leading role in featuring unique sports not seen at the Olympics, such as Kabaddi and Wushu. We are here at a time where the world's sports is changing rapidly. We have to spread the message of peace and unity through sports. Let us all move together forward in a new direction where the world of sports becomes even brighter. With the efforts of all of us, we can create a world where sports is not only a medium of competition, but also a symbol of unity and humanity. Here, I would like to assure this august House that under the dynamic leadership of Prime Minister Modi and the work undertaken by Mansukh Bhai Mandavia and Raksha Khadse ji, and the good work done by Raja Randhir Singh ji, and also PT Usha ji, who is working day in and day out, I assure you that we'll be there to take a lead role as far as OCS is concerned.
Palestinian ambassador to India, Adnan Abu al-Hayjabra India ge Sunday urge kurishe Palestine aro Israel majote jai thaka crisis se mediate kuribole. Ambassador bra India ge ceasefire facility gorle madishe international conference organize kuribole aro independent Palestinian state bonabole goshe. Al-Hayjabra goshe daikan hutai India ge sathi nishna asayase mediator laga role lobole. Palestine jane India do peaceful country ase. Iduni mide India ge do role play kurle matia goshe.
I think it's not the first one. The Indian people are always organizing events to support the Palestinian people cause and for establishing the state of Palestine and to get independence and freedom for the Palestinian people. So it's not the first time, and you know, the relation between Palestine and India, it's historical relation. So this is the Indian people.
Sir, first of all, big question is, what do you see the current situation in Palestine?
The current situation, it's kind of genocide, especially in Gaza for 11 months. And we have started with the 12th month today. They have killed more than 50,000 people, injured about 100,000. Demolishing everything. 70% of the victims are children and women. So there is no life, we could say, in Gaza Strip. 2 weeks ago, they launched a new campaign in the cities of the West Bank. They killed more than 50.
Ida Manase, Side TV.